My name is Varshni. I'm from SRIT College Engineering branch. Now I'm going to talk about differences between four-stroke and two-stroke engine. Four-stroke engine. A four-stroke engine is an internal combustion engine in which the piston completes four separate strokes while turning a crankshaft. A stroke refers to the full travel of the piston along the cylinder in either direction. The four separate strokes are intake stroke or suction stroke. Second one, compression stroke. Third one, power stroke or working stroke. Fourth one, exhaust stroke. This is the four-stroke engine. In the four-stroke engine, first is intake stroke. In intake stroke, the crankshaft will move upwards and the piston will move downwards. In this case, air fuel mixture will flow into the combustion chamber through the intake valve. Here, intake valve is open. In the second case, compression stroke, uh, crankshaft will move downwards and piston will move upwards. In this case, air fuel mixture is present in the combustion chamber. In the third case, crankshaft will move upwards and piston will move downwards. In this case, we can observe the spark in the combustion chamber. In the fourth case, exhaust stroke, crankshaft will move downwards and piston will move upwards. Uh, Exhaust gases will go outside through exhaust valve. In this case, exhaust valve is open. Two-stroke engine. Working of two-stroke engine. In 1878, Douglas Clerk, a British engineer, introduced a cycle which could be completed in two strokes of piston rather than four strokes, as is the case with the four-stroke cycle engines. The engines using this cycle were called two-stroke cycle engine. In this engine, suction and exhaust strokes are eliminated. Here, instead of valves, ports are used. The exhaust gases are driven out from the cylinder by the fresh charge. The exhaust gases are driven out from the cylinder by the fresh charge of fuel entering the cylinder nearly at the end of the working stroke. Two-stroke engine. Everything a four-stroke engine does in one revolution of the crankshaft. To identify the two-stroke engine from outside, exhaust port in center of the cylinder, small crankcase. This is the two-stroke engine. We can observe in the diagram exhaust valve, fuel injector, air intake, piston, crankcase and oil. Now we are going to discuss about the differences between two-stroke and four-stroke engine. Four-stroke engine. Every two revolutions of crankshaft, it produces one power stroke. Two-stroke engine. In every one revolution of crankshaft, it produces one power stroke. Four-stroke engine. It requires heavier flywheel. In two-stroke engine, it requires lighter flywheels. In four-stroke engine, more volumetric efficiency. Two-stroke engine, less volumetric efficiency. Four-stroke engine, high initial cost. Two-stroke engine, less initial cost. Four-stroke engine, more general maintenance. Two-stroke engine, less general maintenance. Four-stroke engine, smoother operation. Two-stroke engine, more erratic. 4-stroke engine, less fuel consumption. 2-stroke engine, more fuel consumption. 4-stroke engine, larger engine size. 2-stroke engine, smaller in engine size. 4-stroke engine, it is heavier construction. 2-stroke engine is lighter in weight. 4-stroke engine, less running temperature. 2-stroke engine, more running temperature. Thank you.